Okay, guys, we're going to go over the second part of the check your progress. For that, you had this chart with tally marks and a graph that's only partially filled in. The first question asks you, how many coins does each circle represent? Well, to figure this out, you'd have to look at how many tally marks are next to pennies. There are 8 tally marks next to the word pennies. That group of 5 and then 3 more, 6, 7, 8. Then when we look over at the chart, we see that they've represented the pennies with 2 circles. So that means those 2 circles equals 8. So because I know my doubles facts from math in second grade, I know that 4 plus 4 equals 8. So therefore, each one of the circles represents 4 coins. Each circle represents 4 coins. Now, the next question asks us, oh, sorry about that. Let me zoom out. I guess let me go this way. Oh, that's not going to work. Okay, so I just got to back up. All right, the next question asks us, how many symbols would I need to represent nickels? Well, this is a little harder because there are 10 nickels that he has. I know that 2 symbols represents 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. But I can't add a whole nother symbol because that would be 12. So I need to add half a symbol. So in the row for nickels, I would have 2 whole symbols and then a half. So I would have 2.5 circles. Then it asks, how many circles do I need for dimes? Well, that's a little easier because that's divisible by 4. So there are 12 dimes, and 3 times 4 is 12. So there would be 3 circles. And then for the next one, for 16 quarters, there would be 4 symbols. 4 times 4 is 16. Finally, the last question on that page says, how many more quarters than dimes does Andrew have? Now, we all know that when we hear how many more, we know it means subtraction. That's right. So we're going to take the number of quarters, subtract the number of nickels. So that would be 16 minus 10, and we would get 6. All right, that is the second part of Check Your Progress. Hope you're doing well. We'll see you for the next part.